Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So after getting the 110 back on the road after its MOT, I decided to treat it to something new. So I've been eyeing up some side steps for the longest time, and Bearmach have been kind enough to donate some towards the 110 and the channel as well. So thank you so much Bearmach for donating these side steps. I'm absolutely over the moon with them, and I'm going to share how I installed them in this video. So first of all, removing the old side steps. These are held on by bolts and nylock nuts. There's just two of those in this side that you can see me taking out now, and they're just held onto the sill rails, and there is a captive bolt into the chassis as well. It felt like it took forever to get these off, hence the face and why I'm huffing and puffing so much. So these are the original side steps that you get on most station wagons and Land Rovers of this era. I will be keeping them and I do really like them, but I just really fancied some new side steps. Some benefits to installing those side steps are that they are easy to just bolt on and go, no drilling required, they're just super easy to install. They improve the exterior look in my opinion. They protect the side of your vehicle, whether that be in the supermarket against wild car doors or off-road. So I feel like my face says it all, but I was so relieved to get these steps off because I was absolutely shattered at this point. It was quite late into the evening. So yeah, that was a small win and I was really looking forward to installing those side steps. Fresh in the box, fire and ice side steps, powder coated in black. You can give them a lick of paint if you want. Bearmach recommend you to do this to ensure that they stay in tip-top condition for as long as possible. You can also get them in silver for your 90, 110 or 130. I will leave a link to the side steps that I chose, however they offer a wide variety of other steps which are suitable for other Land Rover variants as well. So there is no need to do any drilling or anything like that, as you will already have these holes in the sill rail anyway. The idea is for it to be a painless and a straightforward installation, which this absolutely was. The two brackets on the top of the step have concentric holes to move and fit to your Land Rover sill rail, and finally adjust them to suit. These are really high quality side steps. I do think I will get a long lifespan out of them with the type of driving and off-roading that I do, because it's not like I do anything extreme, but they are really high quality, durable and very capable of lasting a long time. The kit comes with two additional brackets as well. This one here fits behind the radius arm on the mounting, and this one makes use of the outer bolt that attaches to the lower link bush mount. Now some of this video will contain mainly photographs of the process, as I have unfortunately lost some of the footage due to my old phone breaking. Lifting the step into place. You can do this on your own with like a jack and some axle stands for example, but I opted to have someone to help. It just made my life a lot easier. Next is offering the step up behind the sill panel onto that sill rail, and then loosely fitting the bolts just finger tight for now. And this is how it fits through that existing bolt hole. Then just quickly nipping them up, again not too tight, just keeping them loose enough to adjust later. As I said earlier, the concentric holes make installation so much easier, as you can easily move and adjust the steps to fit your sill rail. Moving on to the additional clamp from earlier, finger tight the nut and bolt closest to the step first. And instead of using a captive nut like the ones on the previous steps into the chassis, you just place that clamp onto the radius arm mounting, like so, and ensure that the teeth are close to the chassis before tightening that bolt, because if they're too far the other way, for example, it may slip off if it's not tight enough. And then the last additional bracket, which fits between the existing bolt and the lower link bush arm. And here I am just finally adjusting the step before tightening all the nuts up and torquing them up appropriately, just ensuring everything is straight and running parallel to the sill panel. And here I am, happy with those adjustments and torquing everything up. And voila, that's them installed now. This is a more in-depth look into how they fit. I think they look absolutely top notch. So again, thank you so much Bearmach for donating these. I am thoroughly impressed with them. I think they're absolutely top notch. The quality is absolutely brilliant. So if you are thinking of getting some, just take this as a sign honestly to get some, because they are 100% worth it, and I would definitely recommend these. Again, these fire and ice side steps are available for the 90, 110 and 130 wheelbases. However, Bearmach do offer a wide range of side steps suitable for other Land Rovers such as a Discovery series. But if you are interested in these side steps in particular that I have, I will leave a link in the description. Not that I think there's anything wrong with the old side steps, but I do think these ones look really good and are a nice change to the vehicle. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think about these side steps. After installing the side steps, it only was fit to really test them out, which involved going up a lovely green lane while it was snowing. So it was my first time driving in the snow, because it hasn't snowed honestly where I live for years. So we took some bacon, sausage, a flask of coffee and tea, things like that, and went up a lovely green lane and enjoyed some time together as a family, and of course making use of the new side steps. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you again next time.